Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a condensed milk and jelly slice. I'll be using my homemade condensed milk in this recipe. I'll link that video. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
In a bowl with 1 sleeve of crushed tennis biscuits, add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix to combine. Pour the mixture into a tin foil lined baking dish and smooth out. Place into the fridge for 30 minutes. In a bowl with a 1/4 cup of cold water, sprinkle over 2 teaspoons gelatin powder and set aside to allow the gelatin to absorb the water. In a bowl, add in 395 grams of condensed milk. I'll link my video on how to make homemade condensed milk. Next, add in a 1/2 cup of hot water and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Mix to combine. Once the gelatin has absorbed all the water, warm up in the microwave for a few seconds. This mixture should be at room temperature. Add the gelatin mixture to the condensed milk mixture and mix to combine. Pour this mixture over the biscuit base and place into the fridge for 30 minutes. Make a packet of strawberry jelly according to the instructions given on the packet. Pour the jelly over the set condensed milk mixture and place into the fridge for a few hours. Cut into squares and enjoy.